Here I'll show you how to make a bird base. We'll start by making a square base. Fold in half to make a rectangle. Crease and then unfold. Fold in half to make a rectangle from the other direction. Crease and then unfold. Now we'll fold in half to form a triangle. Crease and then unfold. Now flip this over and fold in half to make a triangle from the other direction. We'll give this a good crease and then unfold. As you unfold, pop it up in the center, pinch the sides in, and then squash it flat into a square. Okay, here we have our square base. And now we'll turn this into a bird base. Take this edge and fold it into the center crease. We'll do the same on the other side. Fold into the center crease. Now we'll make a guideline by folding this top corner down and then unfolding it. Now we'll set this down and unfold these two flaps. We're going to take this bottom corner here and fold it up along that guideline that we just made. As we open this up, we're going to have to invert the creases on these edges here, and then fold them down and squash it flat. Okay, we're almost done with the bird base. Let's flip this over and repeat everything on the other side. And there you go. That's our bird base. Sometimes you might need to fold the flaps down depending on what you're making, but it's all the same. This is the bird base.